Hey, what's up guys? Back again, Killer, with you. Today I'm gonna be giving you two codes. Um, this game actually got real good. IP level 1, I don't know what that is. Let's get on with the codes, alright? This is from October 12th. It gives you, 3,500 V-Bucks. Let's just call it V-Bucks. Code redeemed. Okay, it doesn't give you 3,000, it gives you 2,500. Next code is it came out yesterday. Came out October 13th, and it's gonna give you 1,000 V-Bucks. It is 100 million M capital, alright? It gives you 1,000 V-Bucks. Please wait. Boom, right there. And then you go to item shop. Of course, you go to item shop. Oh, I only can zombie blood. Well, let's get this. Dive hat. I know what that is. Zombie blood. Oh, this Warblade, awesome. Wind effects, zombie blood. Let's do this. Alright. I hope you guys enjoy that, and I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, I just wanted to say I'm sorry for not posting this long. I had there was nothing to post and any stuff like that. I didn't want to post that code. This code video, I didn't want to post it, but I'm like, let's do it. I hope you enjoy it. I'll be posting more often, probably. I do not know. I'll see you. I'll see what I will post. I'll see you guys later.